Hello viewers and fellow Renko traders, excited to announce the Ultimate Renko Trading Workshop coming up live online June the 6th. I think it's going to be unmissable for you Renko traders out there. It's not a rehash of previous masterclasses. This is brand new, fresh content coming to you. How I see Renko trading, that I'm using right now, and more excitingly, special announcement. I'm going to launch in this show brand new chart type, the Renko Footprint Chart. I'm going to show you how to trade that as well. Plus, we got brand new strategies that we're going to go in depth, new trade and risk management processes, block sizing, so much to get through in this workshop. Like I said, I think it's unmissable. If you're serious about your Renko trading, want to move it up a notch, this is certainly a date for the diaries. Like I said, it's June the 6th, all online, and I'm going to take you through what it's all about and how you can get involved right now. The Ultimate Renko Trading Workshop is taking place live and online Saturday 6th of June 2026. Now the main workshop starts at 1 PM UK time and runs for 3.5 hours. There's also on top of that a VIP session afterwards which runs for another 1.5 hours. That session is called the VIP Renko Q&A and Chart Clinic. So this is not just a short webinar, this is a proper live Renko trading event. Now the reason I'm making this video is quite simple. A lot of people have already bought my Renko book, watched my YouTube videos, or taken one of my previous Renko masterclasses. So the obvious question is this just the same material again? Well, the quick simple answer is no. This workshop is being built as a fresh live event. Of course, I will cover the important foundations where they matter, because you can't trade Renko properly if your brick sizing, market selection and setup logic are wrong. But the main focus is how I use Renko today, how I think about Renko strategy development right now, and how I separate good Renko conditions from bad Renko conditions, and how I'm starting to connect Renko with more modern trading workflows, testing, automation and execution logic. Now, the new content is important. I'm going to cover Renko strategy ideas and workflows around several specific areas. We've got the orb, the opening range breakout strategy logic, using Renko as a cleaner way of reading directional expansion, structure and confirmation. Second, we've got London FX breakout ideas, especially where Renko can help improve some of the noise around time-based candles and show whether the move is actually developing properly or just faking traders out. Then we got zero DTE options timing, not because Renko magically predicts options trade, but because Renko can potentially help with directional timing, structure and trigger quality when you're trading something as sensitive as same day options. And fourth, we got mean reversion, because Renko is not only about trend following. Used properly, it can help identify stretch movements, failed continuation, exhaustion and reversal behavior. And then we're going to go deeper into trade management, stop logic, target logic, risk control and brick sizing. So that is where most Renko traders get into trouble. They focus on the bricks visually, but they don't think deeply enough about how the brick size changes the behavior of the strategy, the number of signals, the stop distance, the holding time and the actual risk profile. Now, I'm also excited about this one because I'm also going to introduce something new, the Renko Footprint Chart. This is a concept I've been developing on for a while now. I think Renko still has a lot of room to evolve, and we can add and develop a lot of new things around the whole Renko field. Most traders look at Renko as a simple price brick chart, but what if we could start combining the clean structure of Renko with more information about participation, volume, delta style thinking, pressure, and the quality of the move inside or around the brick structure. That is the thinking behind the Renko Footprint Chart. You can see an example in gold on the screen there. I'll untangle all of what that is in the workshop. So I'll show you the concept, why I think it matters, how I would start reading it, and how it could fit into future Renko trading workflows. This is not about adding clutter for the sake of it. It's about asking a better question. Is this Renko move actually supported by trading pressure, or is it just clean looking chart that may fail when you try to trade it? Now, the main workshop is practical. I'll go through how I use Renko in trading today, what I believe Renko is really showing you, the biggest Renko mistakes I see traders making, how I use brick sizing properly, how I build a Renko trading framework around real decisions, not just pretty chart patterns. What I need to see before I trust a Renko setup, my favorite Renko strategies and setups, how I read good Renko conditions versus bad ones, how I manage risk and execution with Renko, how I use Renko as part of more modern trading workflow, and how I see Renko progressing into automation, testing and systematic trading. So this is not just here's a Renko chart, here's a green brick, here's a red brick. It's a full trading workshop built around the decisions that matter before, during and after the trade. There are two ticket options. The standard ticket is £99. That gives you access to the full live workshop, the recording and the slides afterwards. So if you can't attend live, arrive late or miss part of the session, you still receive the full recording and the slides after the event. The standard ticket also includes a PDF copy of my book, Renko Chart Trading Revolution, 1 month of Renko Lab and 20% off the Renko Masterclass 25-26 bundle for 7 days after purchase. So even at the standard level, this is not just a single live session, there's a proper package around it. The VIP ticket is £169 and is limited to just 25 places. And the VIP includes everything in the standard ticket, plus you also get the VIP Renko Q&A and chart clinic session afterwards, your chance to ask me direct your Renko questions. That VIP session runs for an additional 1.5 hours. And that's, like I said, where we go deeper into those Renko questions, chart examples, setups, problems, trade management, brick sizing, and anything that needs more direct attention. So also included in that VIP ticket is 6 months of Renko Lab, 50% off the Renko Masterclass 25-26 bundle for 7 days after purchase, and access to the Renko bot build course for just £99 instead of £199. And that's until Sunday the 14th of June. So if you want the deeper Renko package, the VIP ticket is clearly the better value, but like I said, it's limited to 25 seats because I don't want the Q&A and chart clinic to become too large or too diluted. So there you go, the ultimate Renko trading workshop. Like I said, it's live and online Saturday, June the 6th from 1 PM UK time. And also, like I mentioned, don't worry if you can't make it physically for that time slot, because you get the slideshow and the recording anyway after the event has concluded. But if you're serious about Renko trading and your trading generally, then this is definitely a workshop I would get myself on. Tickets £99 standard, £169 VIP. All details in the links below in the description to this video. So if you're serious about your trading, want to get on, then I really hope to see you there.